Role of an English teacher. Today the topic is role of an English teacher. Welcome back from Mentor English Professor M. Raza. Today the topic is role of an English teacher. So let's do it and let's fetch the answer. Let's get started. Point A. A good language teacher constantly seek professional upgrading and improvement of skills by attending courses, workshops, seminars, and talks. He is aware of current trends and development in English language teaching. He reads professional journals and also read extensively on non-ELT topics. Non-ELT stands for non-English language teaching topics. Point B, they have a good command of English. Point C, they are friendly and sympathetic to their pupils and sincere in their attitudes. They have a close rapport with their close sport with their pupils. There might be a with their pupils and are respected by them. Point D. They are innovative and creative, willing to experiment in their classes. They are flexible in their approach, enthusiastic and lively in their work. Lively in their work. Point E. They adopt a student-centered approach by adopting their materials and activities to meet the needs, interests, and capabilities of their individual pupils. Point F. They create an atmosphere that promotes learning by their pupils and encourages self-directed and peer learning. They use a variety of learning materials and techniques. They evaluate their work and constantly seek to improve the effectiveness of their lesson. They have a mastery of questioning techniques. Point G. They play, sorry, Point G, pardon me. They plan their lessons well in a careful and method, methodological way or methodological way. They have clear goals to achieve in methodical way. They have clear goals to achieve in each lesson. Point H. They cooperate with colleagues by sharing ideas and pooling resources. They are receptive to constructive criticism and suggestions. They relate well with colleagues, superiors, and parents, and are tactful in their dealings. They test what they have taught and set effective tests and exams. Point J. Point J. They have good communication skills and express themselves clearly and effectively. Point K. They are dedicated people who take pride in their jobs. Point L. Their judgments and decisions are sound and full of common sense. They are self-confident. Point M. They have a appropriate, preferably graduate educational background. Now we are going to discuss important summary points correlated or interconnected with the question uh, or the assignment. The effective training in listening, facilitating the learning of English language. Uh, e- Ear training exercises should be provided so that the student become quite familiar with the sounds of English, which are different from those of our native languages. Point two, reading is a silent and individual activity. However, the most available opportunity of the pupils' exposures to English language is the loud model reading of the text by the teacher. For sound foundation in the learning of reading, beginning should be made with commonplace English and gradually take up the difficulty and literary English. Reading aloud in the class should not be used very often by the teacher just for the purpose of change of activity in the classroom. Reading comprehension demands visual and cognitive task on the part of reader. The efficient reading depends on first determining the purpose of reading. Point 3, speaking is the productive activity of the language and is the fundamental means of communication. The speaking ability can be acquired by persistent practice in speaking and by imitation of the spoken English, as the teacher provides the model of spoken language to the students. He himself should be reasonably perfect in various aspects of English speech. Point 4. At the At the end of a secondary stage, a student should have developed the ability to write a few sentences of a simple and correct English on topics of general interest. The students should know the sentence grammar as well as the ways of putting sentences together with coherence. They must be conscious of the purposes of their writing and be able to collect, organize, and convey their writing and be able to collect, organize, and convey their ideas in the form of a simple, correct, and coherent text. The teacher should also devote sufficient attention to the spellings and handwriting of the students. Point 5. The four basic skills of language are closely related and overlap one another in actual practice. Their teaching in close association brings economy in learning. However, it's important that in each lesson the teacher should have specific aim so that he may adopt the appropriate methodology for imparting training in a particular skills. The teacher should aim at balanced and integrated development of all the basic skills of the English language. Self-assessment, they are completely your personal according to your according to your modules and according to your semester or according to your university self achievements. Self assessment questions: complete the following statements with the words phrases. Point 2, the teaching of English to the secondary classes is designed to fulfill. Point number 3, every language is series of. Point number 4, a language learner experiences difficulties with the sound of a foreign language both when. Point number 5, a pupil first experiences in listening should be made. Point number 6, most of the exposure to the English language in our schools takes place through. Point number 7, the reading comprehension requires a visual task. And point number 8, we learn to speak our mother tongue by. Point number 9, the skillful use of the language requires. Point number 10, the incorrect spellings are a sign of. Point number 11, the teaching of four languages. The teaching of four language skills in close association brings. These are the important self-assessment. So do you watch dear subscribers, especially the student of BS English from all universities, particularly Open University, and the student of B.Ed, especially the teaching of English and applied linguistic for B.Ed purpose. and the student of CSS, these lectures will definitely help you to acquire and to achieve the highest rank, highest goal, and highest score or highest band. So let me go now. Before going, I would like to request that the same topic in Urdu medium is available on our Urdu services channel, Mentor Urdu, Murshid Urdu, Professor M. Raza. And now I'm requesting that must subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.